Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix talkback on Samsung phone. Friends, you want to fix your talkback settings or how to fix talkback. Today friends I will show you guys one by one and step by step we will talk about how to fix talkback. So then first of all you can see swipe with two finger to open your Samsung phone. So then use your two finger and swipe. So like that friends you can use talkback setting first of all. And friends, how to fix talkback? First of all guys, click on your phone setting icon. So where is your phone setting? So when we will swipe, so with phone setting guys, click here, and friends continue double tap on your phone setting guys. Continue friends, double taps phone setting, and friends click on connection setting, and friends scroll it. Friends, now you will find here accessibility setting. One tap on accessibility setting, and friends again continue double tap on accessibility. Friends, talk back, one tap. Friends again continue double tap here. Friends, talk back setting is here, one tap and double tap. Friends, click on turn off option, and friends again double tap here. And guys, your talk back problem will fix. And friends, now you can use guys your talk or your phone without any talk back problem. Friends, you can use your phone, you can unlock your phone with your one finger. Friends, you can see swipe to open. So like that friends, we can fix talkback on Samsung phone device. And friends, you can fix with shortcut setting also. Direct friends, you can search your talkback setting, and friends click on talkback. Direct friends, you can fix talkback. And friends, you want to use, so you will have to give permission, then friends you can use talkback. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.